everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you are looking for different ways to use parsley and looking for something different to do and how to combine it with some other herbs, hopefully this will help you. I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with parsley. They are basil, bay leaf, capers, celery root, chervil, chili pepper flakes, chives, cilantro, cumin, fennel seeds, garlic, ginger, lovage, marjoram, mint, black pepper, rosemary, salt, savory, sorrel, sumac, tarragon, and thyme. Well, I hope this gives you some ideas on some ways to include parsley and make some good flavor combinations out there. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.